Hello friends, welcome to Otica Healthcare Private Limited. Today we are going to demonstrate an unboxing of HEINE make fiber-optic otoscope. Model number is D-008.70.110. This is mini 3000 LED fiber-optic otoscope with the tips. You can see the model number on the box. And now we are going to open it. It comes like this. There is no seal or anything fixed. It is openable and it comes with this kind of device. You can also see the company has provided the model number on the top, which is HEINE Mini 3000 fiber optic LED. FO means fiber optic. This is a fiber optic LED device. This comes with a bit larger view compared to the other models. This is the top end model of HEINE Mini 3000 otoscope. The speculas are coming in the poly bag. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 ear speculas are coming with this device, and to operate this device you can this is the head is detachable and the product does not comes with the battery, so you have to take the battery from the market. Make sure you are taking a good quality alkaline batteries. You have to put the positive side of the batteries inside of the otoscope handle and the negative side on the upper hand, or we can say on the bottom area of the handle. You have to tight it and you have to put the head on by rotation. To operate you have to do the switch on the downside, and you can see this is a fiber optic hands. There will be no obstacles in your view. You can see there is no obstacle, and you can see the light and you can see the eardrum properly without any disruption. And this product also comes with the facility to do the pneumatic otoscopy. This is how the device works. Thank you for watching.